get an idea.
Yeah, out there, so the hotel. Eh?
Yeah.
Or me since na April. My mother buried April 13.
Yeah.
And we da meet like April 11 or so.
Yeah.
Yeah. And we have sex. I'm a video it.
So at the time when you have video, just a question. At the time I video in where are you a video him? Okay with you a video him?
Yeah, indeed. You notice him did looking at the video. If I remember me sending a video.
Yeah. Him face directly towards the video for true.
Exactly. So if them did have a problem when me have video it, him could have say take me down or do not video it. You know them look weird. Eh?
Yeah, I understand for true.
Yeah.
Brother, Plummy, where you know me from, Plummy?
TikTok, stop go like you that. I been know you.
Plummy, where you know me? Mama turn on my camera to Bumbuckler. Plummy, where you know me from?
Kevin, I been know you.
Plummy, where you know me from?
Why you need to come out and stop telling lie?
Blood clot, brother. I don't know that girl from Adams. Plummy, where you know me from, Plummy?
Why you lying? Why you
Plummy,
been lying?
So where you know me from? Where you know me from? Where me look you? Where me come fuck you? Where?
We not just hear me just say where you fuck me. Why you lying?
How much him pay for that guest house there?
Huh?
Yeah, that's a blood clot.
How much him pay for the guest house?
Well, I wouldn't know because me not care, so I wouldn't know.
How much money him give you for start out your mother thing?
28,000.
What?
28,000.
Well, Kevin.
Don't call me no babes. Don't call me no babes. Cause you listen Bumbuckler people. Me no know that drunk you from nowhere.
Well, TikTok police. TikTok police. Where you find the pum pum them? TikTok police where investigate pum pum and you me attack. Or pum pum investigate anyway pum pum there you go find it. Talk here, Plummy.
Why me to tell lie? You know what's the pan a big man level? A man, I got always say them know a female once them get catch up.
Watch it now. May I show you upon the live one. Me not even make a stay upon you. Yeah, I'm a big man, Fred. You see that girl that we open at the box, me don't know her from nowhere, bad man. Bad man, me don't know her from nowhere. I'm a swear to God, brother. Brother, me have my daughter now. My daughter 3 years old. Me swear for my daughter life, me don't know that girl. And you see you drunker, you see you big pussy Plummy, everything good. Annie, go and listen to Plummy. As me I say, me don't know Plummy from nowhere. Plummy says she know me and me fuck her. You know, me no care. Why do you buy a car? Ask her which car me in. Every time me and you go, me have to call car and one set of car me have to call because them are my friend. Ask blood class she which car me carry her in got the guest house and which blood clot guest house. She could not even know it from a Bumbuckler live. Because I don't know that drunk you from nowhere. Pitch, drunk pitch. Bumbuckler.
I have another video where she sent me. But I want to click that video there. So where you run go? So why you run? Why you running?
Exactly why am I run and him know the truth. So I saw them still when them get catch up on.
Yeah, but him not fear run and him not fear go on, so him no need fear run. Literally, you send me a first video, but because you send me the video from me, it come in a one view. You get what me I say?
Yeah, because me send in a one view because me know him people will send out the video.
Me know, and they will sell the video. Me watch the video, me see the video, me see him and me see him tattoo, me see everything. Right?
Yeah.
And that video where you send me don't want to click it because at the end of the day, I want to show him in his face. You understand me?
Yeah.
So I wait till him come home. You get what me I say?
Him say add him back.
Hold on there.
Plummy boss.
Yes?
So the video when me and you are fucked.
Yeah.
Are the only video and picture that you have with me and you?
No, I'm sending you your later the video and everything.
Yes, and I have none when hold on no. Me have none when me hug you up or me hold it and anything.
That girl one dead girl.
Oh yeah,
Me have one lie down in her bed, so Annie see everything.
are you
That's
saying
the
that?
reason why she behave so, because she see.
Alright. And Tamika, we say you wait for me to come for show me.
Yeah, I have another video where she send coming at the one view. Me now click it till you
Alright.
come. I want you watch it.
Alright. May I come now? I'm gonna see it.
Yeah, I
I'm
want you
gonna
see it.
see it. Yeah.
Yeah,
But
because you know your own self, Kevin. You know your own body and everything.
Plummy, nice meeting you. Me never meet you before, but
We meet
nice meet.
already. It's a nice meeting you. We meet already.
You can't
Which
talk
one?
about the money where you give her for help with her mother funeral. Me know about that, no?
Baby girl, Tamika, me there. As me there myself for our money. When me I got to find 28,000 for give blood clot, Plummy. Me there want money for myself. I'm a party. Every fucking night me go a party. When me I find 28,000 from give Plummy.
What the guy? Yeah, well, you see me now, me just a left out of this. Me get a car
No,
for home.
yeah,
I
but
get a
here what
car
more
for
you do.
straight
Tell the
home.
people them for follow up Plummy. Cause that Plummy want. Guys, don't follow up Plummy.
No,
Everybody follow
you
Come in
see
Plummy.
that's the
now, come
reason
in.
why I never want to come up on here. You see, because I just say follow. I never want to come up here.
And that you want junker, cause I don't know you from nowhere and come like you beg a fuck. I
No,
must
no,
make you beg a fuck. Cause me as a man will have a cocky. I say me never fuck you yet. And I first visit this people are short about buckler.
From your junker.
Yeah, for me I say me give her 28,000. For make up to us. Who for funeral? Who there? The uncle? Make up for
Annie,
who?
bye,
Yeah.
because me come for talk to you and then it might make you look like it's so lie and dramatic, so.
Hey, girl,
Plum
I
it,
got
sir. Me re put you. Me go just send
Who
me a
that girl?
request back.
Who that girl?
Send me
Plummy,
a
are
request.
you this by your page, Plummy? Who that girl? Screenshot it before she private it. Before she private the page. Me don't know who that girl,
No,
brother.
instead of you keep on and go and say, could I just come and watch the video? I'm not lie to you because I told you that I have a video on my phone.
Hold on,
Don't eat the
come.
second one. So you
Yeah,
can
hear me,
come
I
and
say?
look on the video.
Yeah, listen. You hear me?
Yeah, me I hear you.
I told you before. Me just see the person who attack. No, me no know her from Adams. Me no know she from Adams. I'ma tell her this already. You see me? Me I go come and me I go watch the video. But you see to oh yeah behave Tamika. Me no feel like say yo this for continue. This too toxic, bro.
I don't give a fuck. You're toxic also.
Yeah,
So
me I go
if you're
come.
any now, me not have a
No,
problem. What you think me I go do? Me I go cry and roll on the ground? Man, I
no,
go
me
cry,
never
baby.
said that. Me never
So
said that.
sorry. Why should I do that?
So
Man, come off from the phone and
come.
move from your so you come talk about toxic. Who toxic like you? Go away from your say your bright and face and fucking out of order. And me toxic and your body toxic. Go look for your body with toxic. You have a toxic body. You come talk about me toxic. And your body with toxic will travel and go all board. TikTok police where you walk and investigate girl crutches. You come talk about I don't think this will gonna go no further. Where you think me I gonna get one rope? You hear that? Man, move from your song, way. You're out of order and bright. You think you can style me? You can't style me. You come talk about me a ball. Man, I have no freaking ball in my face for you. Man, I know your water. You walk and investigate crutches. Fat crutches. You ever see the video from Mexico? Eh? You ever watch a video from Dust Till Dawn? The one where say pussy, pussy, pussy. Yellow pussy, pink pussy, white pussy, fat pussy. That is you. Yeah. That's you. You walk and investigate crutches. You, TikTok police, pum investigator, move your blood clot and go here and talk about. I don't think this is going to continue. I don't seal that off long time you come go on like a things. What she say? Stay private on. Oh, stay positive. Oh, sorry. Out of order and bright. You out of order? And I come up here so with style. And I go there, but I don't think this is gonna work anymore. Done the relationship, me done rub it out already. It rub out, me rubber done and broke off. Remember me tell you that. Mommy, you what she see.
And the baby want
What going, baby?
you alright?
Yeah, me alright, mama. Me I make myself alright.
Don't make the boy come here, come use no, sell you no dream. But oh, you're toxic. You don't toxic. I show him know him in him deep shit. Him come here about your taps. Toxic.
Yeah, taxi. Yeah, because yeah, but try to sell me taxi. Say a word again.
Toxic.
Toxic, yeah.
Yes,
Yeah, it's a
toxic.
toxic boy, I can try to sell me. Yeah, him, I can talk about me toxic. I'm body toxic. Him body when I stop straight away at night time. I
Yes.
got toxic.
Alright, baby, do what you do. Me there, I watch you.
Yeah, all right. Enough love, enough love, enough love. But toxic. And quick. You want to talk about, oh, this relationship is not working anymore. Yo, and me supposed to say that, and you supposed to say that. Yeah. Me supposed to say that to you. You not supposed to say that. You notice man I disrespect you. I no type of way. You notice man I diss you. Man I diss you. In a no type of way, man I diss you. You want to violate me thing, brother? Eh? I got to talk about I don't think this is gonna work no more. Eh? You're out of order and bright.
Annie with the blessed pussy. Annie, you
Bam!
don't
Bam,
know what
what's
you're
up?
doing. Annie with the blessed pussy in a blood clot. You're crazy.
What going on,
Annie, if
baby?
I'm boy upset. Annie, I'm not
What
gonna like
going?
girl for your big woman. Your angle is better than the young girl them. Me not ask Christ. Your
Toxic.
angle them roll a better mama. Don't allow them to angle up on the internet. Your angle this roll quite well, darling. You play your part. Mwah.
Baby.
All bars. Just don't say me love you and nothing can change me for you.
And
You
you know me
don't know
love you
that.
too, you know that.
Bye. Bye.
Right the suck in. Yeah. Out of order and bright. You want to see how my eye dry. No worry yourself. May I get a vehicle, sir? May I get a vehicle, sir? Good sir. Hold on there. Wait, Plummy, come up. I want you come up, Plummy. Plummy, come. Don't run from nobody. I don't want Plummy run from nobody. I don't want nobody feel like you can come attack Plummy. Nobody can attack Plummy. That me I tell you. Me I back Plummy. Where Plummy there? Where Plummy there? Plummy. Come back with your thick body, me girl. Me not eat pan you for your big booty. Me not eat pan you for that. I saw it go. Plummy roll in. Guys, you no call Plummy, no. Me no want nobody to run Plummy, you know. Me no want nobody to run Plummy. Me I roll with Plummy. Me I roll with Plummy. I never me take it and put it in a them a go like a me take it out of your pants and put it in a Plummy. Me never take it out of your pants and force it in a Plummy. Where they? Jay, me this girl upset you, no, Jay. Where Jay they? Me this Jay, no. Me this Jay. Plummy, guys, don't send me no request. Plummy and Jay. Plummy and Jay, me I take up. Guys, send me a request. Plummy and Jay. Plummy and Jay. Wait there. Plummy and Jay, me I take up. Only the thing I lie, me I tell say Plummy I come out here. Only the things I'm telling say I like investigating about toxic. You out, hey, bun me the squad, I go, boy, come call me toxic, you know. Hey, bun me afraid. What Plummy there? Plummy come no girl, stop hide from people. Plummy. Guys, when you get Plummy for me now, call Plummy. Text her up on her page. Don't make she go away.